So stock index portfolio slow day to day. Gap fill master hit his profit target really quick. It's a 4-point profit target. You see that at the open. And mirror or tick count trend hit a profit target early on the 1 minute version. Adaptive moving average was down 100 on the day. And it's a pretty slow day. 60-minute breakout lost last night. You see this trade where it lost, and so you get also QS3, which is still in the trade. So we're down a couple $100 overall, and QS3 is still in the trade. The market is currently closed. It will reopen in 10 minutes, and this trade will exit 1 minute before 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and so it stays with this trade till 4:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is the exit time for this. Almost stopped out. It came within a point, I guess, a point and a half of being stopped out. Sometimes you can double up down there and do really well if it comes that close as one of the strategies. So those are the trades for the day. I send those to Collective now, so you can see those in Collective too. I want to show you. Excited about this portfolio about October. I emailed it about this weekend. So here is what Goldman Sachs is saying. So Goldman Sachs says the market knowledge says the market is about to get wild in October, and you can read why. There's just a seasonal tendency. It can be it's historically the best trading month for the stock index portfolio. So take a look at this article if you want, and you can learn about why the market is more volatile in October. And stock index portfolio is one to trade in October. Also have some potential updates here. I'm still reviewing. Here is tick count trend 2. Here is the 1 minute version. I'm going to show you the old performance first. Here is the old performance, a screenshot of the old performance. And you see 43,925, 1,004 net profit as a percentage of drawdown, and 42.20 average trade profit. And here is the new performance. I made a few adjustments. Now this is in a drawdown, and the new setup is also in a drawdown. So I'm not adjusting, not optimizing, and I'm not taking a strategy that's in a drawdown and putting it in a run-up. And so let's take a look. That's actually the old performance as well. So I'm going to turn on the new performance. I'm going to adjust this to the new performance so you can see the latest results. I'm going to pause the video while that takes place. So here's the update. You get a boost by an average trade profit by $12. Go to 54.09. The drawdown goes down by $875 at 3,500. And here is the equity curve. A little bit nicer equity curve, but still in a drawdown. So we're not just optimizing this to go to a run-up. But once again, let's compare these. You can see the old performance there and the new performance here. And that is the 1 minute version. Next, we're going to look at the 5 minute version. And I'll pause the video to set that up. Okay, so we're looking at the 5 minute version on the right of tick count trend 2. Here is the most recent performance. Here is the performance summary. Average trade profit of $51.55, $4,400 drawdown. And here is the equity curve. I'm going to, you see also it's much better on the long side, 25,587. So I'm going to take a look, and I'm going to adjust this to the new version, and you'll see an improvement in the average trade profit and return over drawdown. I'm going to pause the video to do that. So here's the updated performance report, 57. It goes from 51 to 57. The drawdown goes down a little bit, 28.75. Here is the performance graph. And so you have the update for tick count trend 2 that I will update at the end of the month and potentially put this update in the portfolios. I want to check it against the portfolio performance with slippage and commission as well. So excited about this update, some incremental changes to improve this setup to make it a better trading strategy